Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all how I make this delicious mouth-watering banga soup. It tastes so good, it tastes so yummy. You can enjoy this banga soup with any swallow of your choice. You can use starch to eat this soup. You can also use this soup to eat rice if you want. Keep watching, guys. Let's make this delicious recipe. These are the meats that I will be using for this recipe. I have beef, shaki, chicken, smoked turkey, and stockfish. Okay, I've already washed them off camera. Also, I'm going to be using catfish for this recipe. You can use tilapia fish if you want. And also, I have my cow feet. I've already cooked this cow feet off camera also. And also, I have dry fish. And I also have my pepper, my onions, and my tomatoes. Okay, then also I'm going to be using palm cream, okay, which is banga. Then the next ingredient is going to be my crayfish, banga spice, and beletete. Okay, you have to have beletete in your banga soup. You are from Delta, you know. Okay, beletete have to be inside your banga soup. And also I have my Knorr seasoning, and also I have salt. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to pour in some blended pepper that I've already blended. I'm just going to use it to steam this meat. Okay, I'm just going to pour it inside, and I will use it to steam the meat for about some minutes. Okay, before then, I'm just going to add in my 2 teaspoons of Knorr seasoning, and also I'm going to add in my salt. I will stir it together. Then I'm going to cook for some time. After mixing the meat together, I'll cover the pot, then I'll allow the meat to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, this is 10 minutes later. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by today. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Okay guys, what I did next, I added water to the pot. Then I'll go ahead and add in my dry fish. Okay, because that fish is very strong. Then I'll cover it up and I'll allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. Thank you so much everyone for always coming back to support my channel. I appreciate every one of you. May God bless you all. In a clean bowl, I'm going to add in the banga cream. Okay, after adding in the banga cream inside the bowl, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in a very hot water. Okay, because that water, the hot water will help dissolve the banga cream. Okay, I will just give it a quick mix. I'll make sure I mix till all the cream is well dissolved. I added more water. Okay, then I will give it a stir again. Now this is the right consistency that I want. I'm just going to allow it to settle down before I use it. At this point, The meat is halfway ready. What I'm just going to do, I'm just going to take it out of the pot and keep the meat aside. Then I will proceed to the next step. What I will do next, I'm just going to pour in my banga inside a clean pot, as you can see. Then I'll cover it up and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes later that the banga have been cooking. I'm just going to give it a stir. I'll stir it together. Then I'm going to add my pepper that I've blended earlier. I blended some habanero pepper and some tomatoes and some onions together. I'm just going to add it to it right now. Then also I'm still going to add in my banga spice that I have. Okay, you always have to add your spice, your banga spice on your banga soup. Okay, I'm just going to add the spice, then I'll cover it up again, then I'll cook for another 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes later. At this point, the kitchen is smelly amazing. The banga spice is doing justice to the banga soup already. The aroma in the kitchen is so good. Now it's time for me to add in my meat. Okay, now it's time to add in the catfish. I'm going to add in some blended crayfish. The next step is to add in my beletete. Then I'm going to add in some maggi, some Knorr seasoning and a salt. Then I will give it a stir and make sure I stir it gently because I don't want the fish to scatter. We don't want the fish to scatter. We want our fish inside the soup. After stirring it up, then I will cover it. Then I will allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Okay guys, at this point, oh my goodness, the aroma, the flavor in the kitchen is just so good. It's just so nice. Oh my goodness, I know some people is already hungry. Okay, be patient guys, the soup is gonna be ready in less than 10 minutes guys. Oh my goodness, I'm just stirring it up to see the consistency. I want the soup to be thick a little bit. Yeah, it's not that thick enough for my liking, for the way I want it. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it up again and allow it to cook, and so that it will be a little bit more thicker. Yes, look at it, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm ready. At this point, my starch is already ready, guys. I've already made my starch that I want to use to eat this soup. It was so delicious. It smells so good. It smells so yummy. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching my video. If you are new to this channel for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And if you are watching this from my Facebook page, please don't forget to like my page and don't forget to follow my page. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Look at it. It's time to serve. It's time to eat. As I said earlier, my starch is ready. You can eat this starch, this soup, with any swallow of your choice. You can use it with pounded yam. You can use it with plantain fufu. You can use it with any swallow of your choice, guys. Any swallow, oatmeal swallow, any swallow of your choice. Okay, it tastes so good. It tastes so yummy. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Please don't forget to like this video. Your like is highly appreciated. Okay, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye. See you guys soon. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. One love. Keep us together. Bye.